Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube. I'm here with what I'm calling a double dip. They're some of my favourite kind of acrylic art techniques. So this is dipping, but this is going to hopefully be in the shape of a butterfly. So because I'm using two canvases, I only need to do the one side of the butterfly because I'm hoping that the dip will transfer onto the other canvas. So I've just put a coat of the white acrylic paint as my base coat. It's the same acrylic with a pouring medium that I'm using for the other colours also. So I've got a nice navy colour there, turquoise, that is a champagne gold, and another navy blue. I'm doing kind of those V techniques which are called chevrons. So there's the colours there if you'd like to mimic these colours when you're giving it a go. And now for the dip, and this is the beautiful part. After you've placed that other canvas on top, yes, just run your fingers round so you're transferring the paint from one canvas to the other, even giving it a roll over. So now, wow, wow, wow. Easy peasy lemon squeezy with such wonderful results for such a easy project. Great to do with family and friends. Hope that you give this a try and have as much fun as I do. So this is just my fun little thing that I love to do, and I call it, and have always done, balloon kissing, because that's just a small balloon and you pressing it in and it just makes a kissing sound. So I call it balloon kissing. So there you go, it's as simple as that. So much fun and really effective. Hope you loved the video today. Be back tomorrow. So this is an absolute colour match made in heaven, I believe. So one to jot down if you're not good with colours and bringing them together. So that was the navy, the beautiful turquoise, and it had metallic gold in there, and it had my, what I call my champagne gold, which is 50% gold, 50% silver metallics, and it makes that lovely champagne colour. Really super duper happy with that. Please let me know if you enjoyed that and you're going to give it a try. It's just really great results, especially, you know, if you're a beginner or you're doing it with a friend. You can get some awesome effects doing this dipping technique. And of course the metallics and those particular colours, look, you beaut, super duper. All right, my lovelies, please take care. Have a wonderful holiday season to each and every one of you. Wishing you everything that life has to offer and all its goodies. Bye for now.